Meaning of guided.
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 Guided. The term guided typically implies a form of assistance or direction provided to someone or something in achieving a specific task or goal. This assistance can come in many forms, including instructions, feedback, or mentorship. When something is described as guided, it suggests that there is some level of oversight or support that is helping it to move forward in a deliberate and purposeful way. Ultimately, the result of guided efforts is often improved outcomes, greater efficiency, and increased confidence in one's abilities.